I'm Matfield, and this is Ripperman, and this is DriftWeek. Yeah! My lordy! What up, everybody? Good afternoon. Last day here at DriftWeek for us. Affinity Circuit in Medford again. Just got done doing some heat wave drops. Dropped them on top of that storage container over there and at the front check-in over there. So that's pretty cool. Blew out my headlight last night. So got that fixed perfectly. Probably go out for some runs. Gonna ride the dirt bike. Yesterday we rode the dirt bike up there into those along that ridge. Gonna do that again. Hopefully bring a mount. I need a mount for my hat. That's what I need. Do some laps, have a good time, load up, and head home tomorrow morning. So, DriftWeek has been way too fun. It's gonna be back to reality. I'm sad about it. I got a bug on my lens. All right, let's go rip. Look at this. Not gonna drive my own car. Good luck. I lost a bet. It was a sucker's bet though.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I'm not good at shotgunning beers, and he bet that if he beats me shotgunning a beer, he could drive my car. I knew I was gonna lose. I just wanted you to rip, so have fun.
Thank you, dude.
Oh yeah, and this is from rear-ending that Subaru. That was my fault too. That was dumb, but whatever. I need a Z06 front bumper anyway. Look at that thing. time to go for a rep? You know what time it is, dude?
I gotta keep. You're like the best friend that shows up when I'm grounded and mom won't let me out of my house.
It's time, dude.
Dude, I gotta keep prepping this. Get them chunks
We'll do a quick 7-minute rep.
Let me ask my team how bad they
There you go.
hate me.
There you go.
I gotta.
She's sketchy, dude. This freaking view.
Part of DriftWeek they didn't show you.
Yes, exactly. This is why you always bring pit bikes to DriftWeek. Holy crap, this trail is sick. What happened to Ripper? Did he eat?
Dude, I don't know. I was struggling to keep up with you.
Oh,
I
man.
didn't even hear it.
Yeah. How good is this, dude?
Dude, right along this little.
I know.
Almost went in that thing a couple times.
No.
I'm squirrely, dude.
Probably need some more air in your front tire, dude. All of it's pushed out from the rack.
Oh no, dirt's soft and I'm squirrely, dude.
You're rolling. Yeah. Hit it, Red.
The silverware in the back pocket.
Yeah.
I'll let you go
That's
first.
your silverware. Hey, Rip, I think you led us the wrong way, dude.
Yeah, I saw a truck, so I knew where
This
to
is
go.
totally the wrong way.
Not the right.
Did I miss a turn?
Yeah, you must have missed the turn.
Did you see a turn?
No, I was following you.
Shut up, dude.
Alright, well, we'll figure it out.
What road is this? We're probably down that way.
Yeah, I gotta be. Oh, yeah, we're good. This is good. Phew. Yeah.
This is not why I parked my truck.
Could be, huh? How did you take the wrong turn?
How did you not tell me I didn't?
I was
take the right
like
turn?
filming and gooning and smiling.
You were right, it is that way.
Left? All right, I was right. It's left. Send it.
1 mile off track. That's
Yeah. This is so good. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Watch out, watch out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Affinity Circuit, we made it. Yeah. You think they're gonna stop us at the gate?
I don't know, I don't.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was so good. Woo. Oh yes. We went that way and had to go all the way in from the road 1.5 miles that way on the highway.
Oh wait, were they the ones that were going up?
That was good. Okay, back home from Drift Week. So much fun. Oh my God. We killed way too many tires. Probably drank one too many beers. Didn't get enough sleep, but man, it was fun. Oh, I cannot thank all of my partners enough. Seriously, you guys made this happen. We had a couple of new additions that really brought something special to this. Rugged Radios coming on board and giving us communications. Obviously can't do it without Falcon Tire, Lucas Oil. You guys are awesome. Seriously, thank you so much. Now it's time to shift focus. Get ready for Formula Drift. And I gotta fix this car too. This thing's gonna need some work. Look at it. I've been a bully. I've been mean. I smashed into people, pushed them around the track, but you know what? It was fun. Huge thanks to Aaron. Thank you, Lone Star Drift. That's it for me. Thank you guys for following along. Get ready for Formula Drift. You.